Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one brother.
Is he older or younger?
He is younger.
What is his name?
His name is Tom.
Where does he live?
In London.
Are your parents alive?
Yes, they are.
Where do they live?
In Birmingham.
Do you see them often?
Yes, every month.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I do.
It big or small?
It is medium-sized.
How many rooms does it have?
4 rooms.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, a small one.
What is your favorite room?
The living room.
Is there a garden?
No, there isn't.
Do you have a parking space?
Yes, we do.
Is your home quiet?
Yes, quite quiet.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it is nice.
How long have you lived there?
For 3 years.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to work?
At 8:30.
What time do you start work?
At 9 o'clock.